Today is the battle of the compact wallets. The Louis Vuitton Zippy Coin purse is going to duke it out with the Louis Vuitton Zoé wallet. I love the idea of a compact wallet. If I can find just one wallet that is small and compact that I love, it will go into just about every bag. Occasionally, I might have to go even smaller and use a card case if I have a very small clutch, but generally speaking, a compact wallet can go in every bag, and I'm somebody who loves to switch bags. So having that compact wallet that I can just pop in and out makes my life easier. Which is the best one? For a long time, I've had this Zippy Coin purse, and I recently purchased this Zoé wallet. So we're going to take a look at both of these and see how they match up. Since I'm a jewelry designer and tend to think in terms of the 4 C's, that's how we're going to compare these wallets. However, they're going to be different 4 C's. The 4 C's I'm going to use to compare these wallets are cash, cards, coins, and cost. We're also going to throw size in there. We'll start by showing you the layout of each wallet. Let's start with the layout of the Zippy Coin purse. My Zippy Coin purse is in the epi leather, and I'm pretty sure this color is called indigo. It's a navy blue color. Let's start with the 360. Here's the front, and you know it's the front because it has this logo. Here's the side, the back, the other side, the top, and the bottom. It does have this zipper that goes all the way around. It has that smooth zipper that Louis Vuitton is known for. It opens like this, sort of an accordion opening. It doesn't lay flat. That's basically what it does. Hopefully you can see this. There are 2 card slots on each side. I have my fingers in the 2 card slots, so there are 2 card slots on each side. It also has a slot on the very outside, and this is a pretty big pocket. It's a nice place to put things. In the middle here is this, and then there's this open area on either side. That's pretty much it. There are no outside pockets. So that is the layout of the Zippy Coin. Now let's take a look at the layout of the Zoé wallet. This one is in empreinte leather in the color Noir, which is black. We'll start with the 360. Here's the front, the side, the back, the other side, the top, and the bottom. Let's look at the layout of this one. There is a pocket on the back here, and this opens as a tri-fold wallet. Opens like that. As you can see, this one says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. This one also has 4 card slots. It has 1, 2, 3, and then 4. It doesn't have those extra pockets. This one is a little bigger than the others, but it's basically these 4 slots. There is this other slot on the back. It also has this big pocket here to put cash and a zippered coin area here. So that is the layout of the Zoé wallet. Next, let's compare the size of the 2 wallets. According to the Louis Vuitton website, the Zippy Coin purse is 4.33 inches wide, 3.35 inches tall, and 0.8 inches deep. The Zoé wallet is 3.74 inches wide, 2.95 inches tall, and 1.18 inches deep. So the Zippy Coin purse is bigger than the Zoé wallet. It is wider and it is taller. The only place it is smaller is on the side. This one is narrower, and that's largely because of the space that this flap is taking up. So that is how they look together. So for this category of compact size, the Zoé comes out the winner. Now let's compare the 2 wallets in terms of cards. The Zippy wallet has 4 card slots plus these 2 big pockets on either side. Also, you have all of this space if you would like to put cards in there. By contrast, the Zoé wallet has 5 card slots. It has 4 on the interior and 1 on the exterior. This means when it comes to cards, the Zippy wallet is the winner. And now for cash. The Zoé wallet has the full length place to put your dollar bill. It's very, very easy, very convenient, and then it just folds like that. There's plenty of room. It works well. The Zippy wallet cannot hold a full dollar bill without folding it. Now, a lot of people do think you have to fold it in thirds. You don't have to do that. You just have to fold it in half. If you fold it in half, you can put it in just these big pockets. There's no specific place to put it. You can put it there. You can also, I have in the past, put it in one of these pockets on the side. You can fold it in half and slide it right into that pocket. That also works. It can be kind of cumbersome when you have your cash folded in half because you have to sort of pull it all out. You can't just leaf through it. You can either put your 1s and 5s and fold them separately and kind of stack them, or you can put your whole wad of money and then you just have to pull it out to go through it. Because the Zoé wallet has the one big pocket, you can just leaf through and figure out what you have. So when it comes to cash, the Zoé is the clear winner. Now for coins. The Zoé wallet has this zippered coin compartment, and as you can see here, there's a pleat on one side of this compartment, and then there's not on this side. So you open it like this, and then that pleat opens, and that is how you keep the coins. This is called the Zippy Coin purse, and I think it should have been called the Zippy card case because it's particularly bad for coins. The place you're supposed to put the coins is in this pocket here. That is where you're supposed to place the coins. The problem with this is you put it in there and then there's nothing really to close it. You zip it, and if you turn the wallet upside down, those coins can spill out. I've had them spill out all over this wallet. When it comes to coins, it's not even close. The Zoé is the clear winner. Now let's compare cost. I have the Zoé wallet in the empreinte leather. As far as I know, it does not come in epi leather. I have the Zippy coin purse in epi leather. And while I have seen this coin purse in the empreinte leather on the pre-loved market, it is not currently offered that way on Louis Vuitton's website. So I don't know if that sort of comes and goes, but right now, as far as the leathers are concerned in cost, we'll be comparing the empreinte to the epi. We'll also compare them in canvas. Both are available in canvas. They each have some leather when they have canvas. The Zoé wallet has leather here and on the interior, and when the Zippy coin purse comes in canvas, the interior is still leather. The current price for the Zoé wallet in empreinte leather is $585. The current price for the Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet in epi leather is $450, making the Zippy the winner. In canvas, the Zoé wallet is $465 and the Zippy wallet is $395. The Zippy is still the winner. Either way, the Zippy wins as far as price. So who is the overall winner? It's got to be the Zoé. I think it's the Zoé, and it is why I purchased the Zoé. Now you might be asking, why didn't I purchase the Zoé in the first place? Well, when I got this wallet, I don't think the Zoé was even available. When the Zoé first came out, I wanted to get it, but there were glazing issues. There were a lot of people talking about their glazing issues on this wallet, and I just thought, I don't want to go there. I don't want to get a wallet with known problems because I do plan to use it every day. It does appear that Louis Vuitton has addressed the glazing problems, so I did it. I recently purchased this. I do like it a lot. For me, it is the clear winner over the Zippy coin purse. I'd love to hear from you. Which do you like better? Do you have either one of them? Do you have both? Even if you don't, which do you like better? I am Jill Maurer. I am a jewelry designer. If you love jewelry, if you love design, if you love luxury goods, please subscribe. I would love to see you here again. Until then.